Let's start with this one. What is it? Panda. Can you name this powerful predator? Shark. Do you recognize this slow mover? Turtle. Only a genius can get 10 out of 10. What do we call this bird? Oh. Any idea what this fluffy animal is? Alpaca. Identify this desert dweller. Meerkat. Do you know this animal? Lemur. Can you name this one? Red panda. Getting tougher. What is this creature? Okapi. Before last quiz, don't forget to like this video and write your score in the comments. Only 1% of experts know this. Show bill.